Good afternoon, everyone. So here we are at RE/MAX Elite, and I'd like to introduce my colleague from my B&I chapter, Sandra Spennato, who is a matrimonial attorney. And we're going to have a discussion about engaging her prior to marriage and when going through divorce. So, hello, Sandra.
Hi, Julie. Nice to see you today. Thanks for having me.
And nice to see you too. So one of the first questions I'd like to ask you, Sandra, is why would someone engage you prior to marriage?
Well, typically people seek my assistance before getting married to talk about their rights and obligations in the event of a divorce. Sometimes couples that have assets going into a marriage, specifically real estate, would like to understand what their rights are in the event of a divorce.
Okay, that's very good to know, because a lot of people would think of only using you in the event of the divorce and not prior to the marriage. So a prenup would be something that some people might do, or maybe they want to know more about it. So in the event of a divorce, when a couple is owning property together, jointly, what kind of advice or things would you do for them in that regard?
Sure, that's a good question. Well, let me just start off by saying that any real estate that's held prior to a marriage or obtained prior to a marriage that's held in solely in the one individual's name will remain that person's separate property. It's when two people get married and acquire property during the marriage that it then becomes an issue that will be subject to a divorce. So, for example, if spouse A and spouse B purchase property, whether it's held jointly or individually in either spouse's name, upon a divorce, it will be equitably divided between the two of them. And there are a few scenarios in which that will be done. For example, spouse A might decide to buy out spouse B, or vice versa. More often than not, though, they forego the buyout situation, and then they will list the property, sell it, and split the proceeds.
Well, that's very valuable information, Sandra, and I really appreciate that. And what I'd like you to do now is please give your contact information, your name, how it's spelled, the name of your law firm, and your phone number where you can be contacted, and email, so people can get in touch with you.
Thanks, Julie. Again, my name is Sandra Spennato, and I work with the Cedeno Law Group. Our number is 646-760-5490, and you can give me a call directly, and I can walk you through the steps.
And your email.
Oh, it's my first name, Sandra, at nyc-divorces.com.
Sandra, I thank you so much for joining us today. I really appreciate it and giving us this valuable information. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful day.